Do you ever worry about the future? I know I do. My name is Gloria Constantas, and I am an NGH certified hypnosis instructor. I am a personal development coach and an infinite possibilities trainer. I'm doing a virtual presentation at the 2021 NGH conference. It's called How to Release Fear and Worry. And the objective is to show you ways to reduce fear and worry in yourself and in your clients. The techniques will include hypnosis, mindfulness, and the vagus nerve technique, which I just learned from Dr. Will Horton. This presentation is for beginner and intermediate level hypnotists who would like to work with people with fears or worries.